विष्णुपादाय कृष्णापृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे. By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, I am just addressing this talk to Srila Prabhupada that, dear Srila Prabhupada, by your utmost mercy, kindness, I visited Jagannath temple, and then when I went to USA in 71, I saw that there is a Jagannath temple there also. That was in Philadelphia in 1971. Then by his mercy, that we heard that he is coming to New York City, so we went to New York City. He blessed us, and he blessed to my son. And so we were attached with the movement. We were reading Back to Godhead magazine, Bhagavad Gita, associating with devotees. Devotees were coming to our home all the time. Whenever there was any devotee passing by, they will stop by. So by the mercy of all the devotees, their association, by offering everything that we will eat to Srila Prabhupada and the deities, that way that purified. I was gliding down to the Western world. Being a physician, we will have some luncheon meetings, they will serve some abnormal food, but I was protected from all that because of Prabhupada's association or Prabhupada's mercy that we could save ourselves. And like me, many thousands and thousands of people later on, since I went in 71, it was just the beginning, but later on so many people, they came from eastern countries, and they would have gone down living their own culture, but it is just because of Srila Prabhupada that many people have been saved, and now they are also being saved from clutches of Maya, or at least they could remain as a Vaishnava, follow some principles. So that is also Srila Prabhupada's mercy that happened. Prabhupada has given us many things, just like importance of the holy name. Means we were from a Vaishnava family, but did not know that we had to chant so many rounds, follow these regulatory principles. But he insisted that. He made it a point that if you want to get initiation, you must follow these principles. So we were following, many people are following. Later on, he gave them, so holy name, if one can take to that holy name, it could save from many dangers or many problems in the material world, because Krishna is there, Krishna is in his name, he is dancing on our tongue. So we learned this importance because of Srila Prabhupada. We would not give that much importance in India while I was up to 24 years of age to some sadhu, saintly person, how important they are. But we learn from going to ISKCON that they should be respected as if Shakshad Haritvena Samasta Shastri. That it is like just, he is like Hari, although they don't think that they are God, but it is our duty as a students of Srila Prabhupada to offer him homage and respect as if he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The importance of Tulsi Devi, means we were all having, as Vaishnavas, we all have Tulsi Devi, but how much significance that just by the mercy of Tulsi Devi, like Krishna would not accept his bhoga unless there is Tulsi Devi. We have 2 tilak marks, but they would not be united without the Tulsi that we have on our nose. So Tulsi unites those 2 lines, horizontal lines that we have. Tulsi Devi is so much significance, so many scriptures about the Tulsi Devi has been given, and it is the Srila Prabhupada who gave us that wherever you go, yare dekho tare kaho Krishna upadesh, amara agya hai guru tare desh. That wherever you go, whenever you meet, if you are in a train, plane, bus, whomever you talk, then rather than wasting your time, talk about Krishna. Pratvite ate achhe nagradi gram, sarvatra prachar hovi mor naam. That was the prediction of Sri Lada Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that my name would be heard in every town and village. And that is possible. We are spreading Krishna consciousness all over the world, but mostly in the cities. So my request to all of you, on behalf of Srila Prabhupada, that go in villages, even if there may not be much collection, but talk to the people. They are simple people, and simplicity is really the main principle in our devotional life. So if we could live simply and have high thoughts about Krishna and save that much time, energies, money by living simply and use it for like building TOVP or spreading Krishna consciousness or printing books. So that is also very, very important. One may say, I cannot give up all these bad habits. It is not possible for life that has become part of my life. But if you start chanting Krishna's names, worshipping Tulsi Devi, associating with devotees, reading or hearing some classes, by the mercy of all this Vaishnava paraphernalia, name, Tulsi Devi, Prasad, devotee association, reading Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Gita, by that power one would be able to give up their bad habits like no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit relation. That would automatically be given up. My mind was not on, like while chanting, that was, I met Srila Prabhupada first time in 1973 on April 1. So I asked the similar question that my mind just goes here and there, what should I do? So Srila Prabhupada says, just try to chant your quota and pay attention on the holy name. By the mercy of the holy name, you will be able to give up. Your life would become perfect and would be able to get out of this. Although even still now, but still that is the method, that you chant properly, try to listen and depend on Srila Prabhupada and his mercy. So, यशास्ति भक्ति भगवद अकिंचिना सर्वैर गुणैर तत्र समासते सुरः हराव अभक्तस्य कुतो महद्गुण मनोरथेना धावतो सोभई. So we walk on the wherever our mind takes, but mind would be subdued by, and all the qualities of demigods would come if we take to the process of bhakti. Srila Prabhupada made this bhakti process so simple, so easy, all the Vedic literatures. And so I was in a Vaishnava family reading Ramayana or Bhagavad Gita. My father knew all the verses of Bhagavad Gita. But somehow it was difficult for me to understand at that time. What Srila Prabhupada has made by his mercy, it is so, he encompassed everything, all the Vedic knowledge in a very simplified way in his Bhagavad Gita and other many literatures, that one can take it, one can understand it. It ingrains in our heart easily by his Bhaktivedanta purport. In the purports, not only that, each and every word he translated, which is not there even in Hindi or any another language of the world, about Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, every word has been like there is a meaning to that, which is not there. So we are thankful to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, that by His mercy, it's possible to understand the sublime message that Krishna wanted to give us. So, I am begging to Srila Prabhupada to give His mercy. So, whatever my remaining life I can dedicate to His message, spreading Krishna consciousness, going village to village. I was born in a village, so I have natural inclination for village preaching. And I am building a temple in Madhya Pradesh. If anybody would like to join to go for preaching in villages, there are several villages. Just where I live, in 20-30 mile radius, there would be more than 400-500 villages. So I'm requesting all of you and begging to Srila Prabhupada to give me the mercy so I can take this task and share some of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. He wants to give it. He has predicted that Krishna consciousness will spread to every town and village. So it is already there. But Nimitta Matra Bhava Save Sachin, that you become Nimitta. You take the credit. Like Krishna says, I have killed all these Pandavas. But now, Arjun, you take your bow and you fight with your all the might. So same thing is available even now. So thanks all of you. I am very happy to be here. By mercy of His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj and all the exalted Vaishnavas, I could speak few words. Thanks. Hare Krishna.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.